So we're starting our hike here at Grassi Lake. Because, you know, we're crazy. Here are the people. Big trail right there. This one is 700 meters up elevation. About 5-hour hike. Let's go home.
Kasi 12:30 kami malis. Ay mga before 12. Malis namin sa hot tub.
Yeah.
It was so nice.
Nice. Oh, this is cool. Look. Yes! Boom! Very good. Oh, nice. Nakanig. Videoin kita. So now we're on Highline Trail, Three Sisters Peak.
High na talaga yung line dito.
This is what it looks like. Boom. And then you just go like this. Boom, boom. Oh, beautiful.
At least it's not Why are we going down?
Nice.
Yeah. How cute.
Yeah, it has
Lead the way.
a 3-axis gimbal.
I don't know what that is, but whoa.
Para stabilize siya.
Oh.
Anong masabi mo, Patrick? Easy lang ba?
No, it's hard. I'm tired.
Do you regret it?
Just go back.
Pwede rin yung ganito sa lahat.
Ooh!
Oh, hello!
That's sick, man. I like that.
Screen. My thumb is bigger than the screen, right?
Yeah. Oh, there's people now. Okay.
Sa 9 minutes? Yeah.
Sabi ni Kuya 1 hour pa daw.
Punta sila sa Grassi Knob?
Baka hanggang creek lang yun. 1 hour, sobra naman yun.
Lapit na tayo. Taas na naman.
Sabi ko, boss, tama ba yung punta namin? Oo, tama. Oh, okay. Dito tayo.
Ano sabi mo, boss, tama.
Let's go!
Go with her?
You know?
I do actually.
Hey!
You like it somewhere in my
Stop following me. Di naman natingin eh. Ano ba tong gimbal na to? Tinatrack yung mukha ko. Ganito na.
the up one?
Yeah. Kaya na.
At least naka-relax pa sila ngayon. Warm up. Para siya.
Oh, look at this firewood. One step at a time. Oh my god.
Careful! Careful, watch head.
Uy! Nakot yung ano ko. Update, we're not close yet. Yeah, great. Of course, don't tell anyone. I'm gonna make them watch this later. But we actually took a longer way, but that's okay. They won't know till later. See, this is the slope. $19.50, okay. What's our peak? 2170. Do the math. Put it on the comments below. Right now we can't do math. It's all about the feet. Brain's gone. Heart's gone. Everything's gone but the feet. Gotta go. Comment below, okay? Good job, Nick. good. Yeah.
Oh, nice here, guys.
Take the grassy lake and you do a little bit of mountain climbing, a little bit of sliding, a little bit of dropping. But stick to the landing, please. Yeah, Gerald, yes. Okay, gotta go.
It's like you can feel the difference with the glacier wind and like regular wind.
Yeah, definitely.
Diba?
Yeah. Let me know what you think of the difference between glacier wind and what was it? Normal wind. Comment that below. You know, there's so many things when you need when you go hiking. The one thing you need is definitely great hiking shoes and hiking boots. Make sure it covers your ankles, just like this one.
You need layers.
Like that. You need some layers. See that? Or like me, you know, lots of layers, right? And most important, Vaseline.
Almost there.
Well, we made it. We made it to Grassi. What do you call this? Grassi something. Yeah. Next stop, that guy. Boom! Stay tuned. Well, this is good. We made it. Made it to the top. Maybe next time we'll go to the higher top. The one behind me. You see? Yeah, that one. Well, everything has to come to an end. Gotta go down now. Yeah, this is the hard part. Easy part is going up actually, and coming down. Wow, you know.
Yeah, we're yet to go to what that's happening over there. Want to take a look at what's happening?
Yeah, we're about to do this part right here. It doesn't look much on the videos, but it's steep.
It's steep.
Yeah. What do you think?
Good.
Good. Nice.
How's the
Nice.
weather?
Yeah, good weather. Not so sunny anymore. Great. At 1 o'clock it was pretty bad.
Clouds are coming in.
Yeah, clouds are nice.
But
Beautiful view.
Not like it's rain or anything.
A little bit of wind. A little bit of wind.
Wind.
Well, it's not so steep on this side anymore. How you feeling? Good. It's tracking you now, look.
Feeling good.
Here, I'll show you the view here. It's pretty cool.
There you go.
Hey, made it.
Made
Hey.
it.
Uy. Usually we say Marco Polo, say Marco and they answer Polo. In this case, they weren't able to. What's going on? Yeah. Hey. Oh, yeah. So we're in this phase of Grassi where we're coming down, and it's pretty much rock climbing, but we'll make it. I think we'll make it.
Time? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's what we have to come down to. Perfect. Let's do it.
Use it as a crunch.
Yay, we made it. Hey. So if you ever take this trail, don't go to what we just did. Do the other way around. So you see the stream? Go straight here. Not here. Don't take that one. There. Okay? Well, that's it for the day, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, like button, comment below, and thank you for joining us our hike. Do this yourself as well if you get the chance. Peace.